this is the day that lockdown has lifted. The one-week lockdown in Bengaluru, urban and rural, has been lifted. This, despite some rather alarming numbers from the state. The state has actually crossed 70,000 cases now, more than 70,000 cases in the state, many of them added in July itself. Now, in the BBMP limits itself, in Bengaluru itself, we have 34,943 cases, which is almost half of the state's 70,000 cases. Total deaths, 721. And in the last 24 hours alone, Bengaluru added 1,714 cases. So Bengaluru really kind of getting a lot of cases. But, as I said, lockdown has been lifted. Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa saying that there would be no lockdown in Bengaluru and Karnataka going ahead. What he said is that lockdown is not the answer. The answer is masks, social distancing and washing hands. Of course, not everybody wearing a mask. The place is much busier now, but not everybody really wearing a mask either. We find people covering themselves up when they see the camera, but not everybody wearing a mask right now. But certainly a lot more traffic on the road, a lot more actual things going on the road. Some non-essential shops also open. The curfew, night curfew, will continue from 9 p.m. instead of 8 p.m. 9 p.m. to 5 a.m. in the morning, that night curfew will continue. And the Sunday lockdowns throughout this month will also continue. There will be a Sunday lockdown going ahead. Markets, bigger markets, of course, not little places like this, but bigger markets will be moved to a large open area. The bigger markets like KR Market and all are in containment zones. So, of course, there are still restrictions. Life is definitely not back to normal. No schools, no theatres, no gyms, no metros. But buses are back on the road today as the lockdown lifts in Karnataka despite the increase in numbers.